Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 theme not syncing. First method is click Start, Settings, click Accounts. Click Windows Backup, turn on Remember My Preferences, check Passwords, Language Preferences, Other Windows Settings. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Windows Update. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc/scano. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.